everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mandy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are returning for another video, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing something that I do every single week, almost every single day. When I get home from work, I like to go ahead and tidy things up so that it's not that bad during the week. I usually do a lot of good cleaning on the weekends when I'm not working. So you guys know that I vacuum every day because of Bodie. Also, all of our furniture is pretty dark and he is very light. So I try to go ahead and at least dust a few times a week too. That way it's not, so visible, because believe me, it's very visible. So if you have some cleaning of your own to do, go ahead and clean along with me. If not, sit back and relax and enjoy the music and get some good motivation. I'm going to go ahead and get started so I can get into my pajamas. That's my second favorite thing in the world. So let's go ahead and get started.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way, but can I say that's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a in your head, seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me gaze yesterday. I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now.
Okay guys, so I just wanted to pop in here and check in on you. Let me know if you're getting some good cleaning motivation from this video. Also, if you've made it through to this part of the video, go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji in the comment section below. And I would also like to know, what is your favorite cleaning product to use on a regular basis?
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do. There's no mountain I won't climb, be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love. I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my head. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to.
Okay guys, so I have all of that laundry folded and hung up and put away, and I still need to fold this. That's all of my whites. They've probably been in here for about 3 days, and I just haven't folded them yet. So that's real life. So they've been there for a while, so all I need to do is go ahead and finish folding those up and get those put away, and then I need to start on these over here, and I'll get those in the washer and in the dryer before I go to bed this evening. So another thing that I wanted to do before I finished up is tonight when we go to bed and Bodie goes in his kennel, I wanted to take some baking soda and just put all over the carpet here. I know that it's supposed to help absorb odor and things like that. It's not that it really stinks in here, but he does go outside, you know, a few times a day and comes right back in and tracks in God only knows what on this carpet. So I wanted to try that and see if it would help just, you know, get some stuff up. But if you guys have any information or suggestions on products or anything like that, let me know. I don't really like to use like the Carpet Fresh or anything like that because for one, it's really sensitive to his nose, and for two, I don't think it's really that good for your vacuum cleaner. I think if I do this just once, it's not going to be that bad. But if you have any suggestions, let me know. Also, on the couch, you probably saw me do the roller, and I try to do that first to get up as much as I can before I start to vacuum it. But my friend Amanda on here, she told me about this little miracle gadget called the CHOM CHOM, and she got that off of Amazon. And she said it's amazing. I will link it in the description box. I've actually got it ordered. And Amanda, thank you so much. It looks amazing and I cannot wait to try it. So I will put that down in the description box, and you guys go check it out. If you have a pet, you know exactly our problem with trying to keep pet hair off of everything. He doesn't, he's right there. He doesn't get on the couch. I mean, he's not allowed up there. He doesn't get up there, but his fur is everywhere, so we do have a time trying to get that cleaned up. But I'm going to do this little trick tonight and let it sit overnight, and then I'll just vacuum it up in the morning when I get up to get ready for work. And I will definitely let you guys know how that works out for me, how I liked it. But all of that is pretty much all I'm going to do tonight. I'm pretty whooped. So I worked all day today and came straight home and started cleaning, and it's just some stuff to get, you know, kind of picked up for the week, so it's not too bad, because I can't stand to come home and look at all the mess and everything like that. So it's nice to go ahead and take an hour or so and just get it all cleaned up if I can. But I'm going to take him out. Obviously he needs to go. So that is all for today's video. I really appreciate you guys coming by. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.